Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a gift card online step by step, quickly and easily. Step 1. Locate your gift card code. For physical cards, scratch the back gently to reveal the code. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 2. Visit the official website of the gift card issuer. Make sure you are on the secure and correct website to avoid scams. Look for a section labeled Redeem, Activate, or Add Gift Card. Step 3. Sign in to your account if required. Some gift cards need to be linked to an existing account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address and a secure password. Step 4. Enter the gift card code exactly as shown. Double-check for typos or extra spaces, as even small errors can prevent activation. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Some websites may ask for additional information, like your name, billing address, or phone number. Step 6. Confirm the card balance. Once the code is accepted, check your account or the website to ensure the gift card balance has been added successfully. Step 7. Use your activated gift card for purchases online or in-store, depending on the card's terms. Keep the card and any confirmation details safe for future use. That's it. Following these steps should help you activate any gift card online quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.